Greetings, Earthlings! Man, I feel like it has been forever since I have filmed, but here in front of me I have my spring CultureFly office, friends, and supernatural boxes, and I thought it would be really fun to open them. I did already open my supernatural box because it was the first one to come, and I just cannot wait. So we will start with the office. We've got the Dunder Mifflin building right there on the front. And now it says Peacock. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing I see is a Robert California quote wine glass. Interesting. I wonder what it looks like. I will tell you that Robert California was one of my least favorite characters on the show. Here's the little wine glass. It says, "Do I look like someone who would waste my own time?" Robert California. The sticker on it is a little bit wonky though, but oh well. We have a pin. This is really cute. It's a dog wearing a sweater that says Nard. Nard dog. Andy Bernard. That is so cute. Look at that. Oh, that's adorable. We have, what is this, an umbrella? Oh, this is cool because you know what? Living in Florida, you never know when it's gonna rain, especially during summer. I have an umbrella and a raincoat in my purse and then another umbrella and raincoat in my car. I wonder what this looks like. I'm not going to open it up though. I don't want bad luck, but it at least has the little office logo on it. We'll see what this looks like later, because I'm not doing that inside. Oh, Ryan started the fire. That's hilarious. What kind of sandwich was he making? Like, look at Dwight's holding it, and it's flaming. This is so funny. The only problem I ever have with sleeves like this is that they usually don't fit my short arms very well, and they look real like boxy and baggy on me, but that's funny. We have a possibly bandana. Oh no, Dwight painting tapestry. Look at that. It has little holes in it so you can hang it up, you know, with thumbtacks. At least that's what I would do. Dunder Mifflin wireless speaker. This is weighty. It looks like their little paper box. Multi-purpose copy paper. It's a wireless speaker. Here's all the little holes in the back. Looks like USB and stuff, right? It has an audio, an auxiliary cord. Is that what it's called? And here's a little charger for it, or to plug into your phone. No, why would you plug it into your phone if it's wireless? Well, okay, so it comes with a charging cord. This is really cute. Aw, I can use that. I like useful things. Is this a lunchbox? I would definitely say it's probably a lunchbox. It has a little handle on it. And it's got Jim with his big tuna sandwich. Last thing I think is in here, we have a notepad. Bow Body Business. We have a Creed notepad. That's cute. Creed is one special guy, isn't he? All right, where's the little note? Let's see if we got everything. Oh, this is what the umbrella looks like, if it'll focus. Yes, we have the Dwight painting tapestry, Ryan's for the fire raglan tee, Dunder Mifflin umbrella, Robert California wine glass, Dunder Mifflin wireless speaker, Andy Nard dog epoxy pin, big tuna lunch bag, and Creed business notepad. That is the spring 2022 office box built by CultureFly. To the Friends box. Again, the Friends box is usually pretty low key on the outside. There's not usually any kind of decoration or anything. It's very simple. It says, how you doing? I know this started out kind of going by like season, and then kind of lost track of what the themes were. So let's open this up. Ooh. Oh, okay. I see two things I might really like. First, we have a bucket hat, which I'll probably never wear, but I like that it's simple. It's nothing too wacky, crazy, but on the inside, we do have all of the little Friends icons, like the lobster, the couch, coffee cups, etc. It's just black. Oh, it's reversible. That's what it is. It's a reversible bucket hat. Okay. Well, look good in hats. I think it's my hair. I have too much of it. Now, this looks like something I'm gonna like because it looks like it might be, oh, must have been just the light. It looked like it was gonna be tie-dye, but I digress. This shirt is super cute. I love the color. It's really soft. I like the style of it. And look, it's just simple. It's Friends. I like it. I would definitely wear this one. Like, this one is really cute. And it's so soft. Like, sometimes the shirts in these boxes are like kind of like a really weird material, but this one I like. Nuh-uh, really? We have another umbrella. This is like the one season, I don't remember when it was, but like I had gotten the Supernatural box, the Friends box, the Office box, and the Seinfeld box, which I still don't know what happened to the Seinfeld box. And literally everything came with so much kitchen stuff. It was all kitchen stuff. I got like 2 cutting boards and like all, it was wacky. Again, I'm not gonna open this up. Oh, okay. So that's just the case. This looks like it's that clear kind of umbrella, and maybe it has like a beach ball type theme, which this is feeling kind of summery and not springy. This is definitely the spring box though. Just really late. We have another pin. This says, how you doing? I think I've said this in other, oh no, wait, does this come with, sorry. Does this come with a plant in it? Because I was actually gifted a succulent plant, a real life succulent plant, and I don't have anything to put it in. But look, this is perfect. It is a planter mug. I just got to get more soil. I don't know anything about plants, and I have a very hard time keeping them alive, but I think succulents they're low maintenance, right? Yeah? But this is perfect. This is like, it's just maybe plastic. It's got a little hole in the bottom. Don't try to drink out of it. Oh my God. Can you imagine? That would be so funny. What is this? Postcard set. I think this is, oh no, this is the lottery. That episode frustrates me so bad. When Phoebe drops all of the lottery tickets out on the street. I'm not a fan of that episode. Okay, I'm taking this hat off. I feel silly. We have them sorting through their lotto tickets. I definitely felt Monica in this episode because my hair used to do the same thing. Super frizz city, and living in Florida, it's always humid, but my hair is long enough now that it kind of just weighs itself down and it doesn't poof out as much when it's hit with moisture. Is this season 10? Is this box season 10? Is that what this is? Or is it season 9? I don't know, but we got, I think this is Phoebe pretending to be Joey's manager. And this is Chandler sending out some very silly things about Ross on their old college website. These are odd pictures for postcards. I don't know. All right, one more thing in here, possibly another tapestry. What is this? Yeah, we've got another tapestry with the same little holes. Aw, what a classic picture. We all love this one. I don't really have room in this room for any more tapestries, but I'll figure something out. We have the Friends Tea Wall Art Tapestry. Oh, transparent umbrella. Yeah, it does kind of look like a beach ball. That's cute. Postcard set, enamel pin, bucket hat, and planter mug. So now we can move on to the Supernatural box. Like I said, I did already open this one, and I'll be completely honest. It was kind of meh, in my opinion, but there was one thing in here that I thought was just, it just made up for it. It was the absolute coolest thing ever in Supernatural boxes ever, and I'm gonna save that for last. First, we have this cute little, this little plush. It's like a hellhound. It's purple with bright red eyes, so he's not super scary, because who would really want a hellhound plushie? It's got like a hoop on its back, so you can hang it up, I guess. I mean, to be fair, when I was little, that's how my mom stored all my stuffed animals. They had hoops, and they hung from a big pole in my room that had hooks on it. I don't know. It worked, I guess. We have a scroll, a wall art scroll. Clearly I didn't open this when I opened the box. Let's see what it looks like. I think the theme this box was supposed to be Crowley, the king of hell. We love our Crowley. Hello, boys. Oh, upside down. So kind of like another tapestry, but a little fancier. Join the hunt. Hang it from here. I might make room in here for this because got a lot of supernatural stuff in here too. I recently went to Vegas and I got married and I went to a supernatural convention and it was the best time of my life. And I might as well share with you guys my photo op photos and my autographs and stuff. Here we have, this is just so silly for Supernatural, I feel like, but it's one of those little popper toys. I work at a preschool and the kids are always bringing these. It's like a kind of like a fidget spinner type thing where you're supposed to like fiddle with it. It's got a bunch of sigils on it and it's a keychain, so I can put it on my purse. And when I'm feeling bored or anxious, waiting in line to get my photo op or my autograph at my next convention, which is next month in Orlando, I can play with my Pop-It. I will admit, I am a full-blown adult, and I did buy myself one of these as well that looks like a chocolate chip cookie. And I was really hoping it would smell like a chocolate chip cookie, but it didn't. We have, and this is perfect because like I said, it rains unexpectedly in Florida all the time. So this is something I could keep in my car. We have this like windbreaker type thing. It's got these slash marks and it says Supernatural, join the hunt. And it's hooded, which is perfect to try to keep my hair from getting wet. And it's a pretty good size too. It's full zipper, it's got pockets. And I do think I will keep this in my car in case of emergency rainstorms. Silly little charm. Every one of these boxes I've realized has a charm. And I wonder if like in the earlier boxes there was something to collect all the charms onto. I don't know what to do with them. Some of them I've just used as keychains, but these are hellhound glasses. By the way, try to ignore my nails. It's so you can see the hellhounds. And we have a pin because every box ever comes with a pin. And again, I need a place to store all these pins. It's just this beautiful little picture of Sam and Dean. And I know none of these things are focusing on the camera, and I apologize, but just imagine. Oh, right. How could I forget? The best thing to ever come out of one of these boxes ever is this. It is the Supernatural Men of Letters. I really don't know how to say this word, bestiary. But this book, and I thought, oh, it's just another notebook that we can write in. You know, I've got them all over the house now. It's actually like an encyclopedia of all of the monsters. And it's got like full-blown articles about them. Like this is easily like I don't read very often anymore, but I will read this. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh, by the way, I've met Abaddon twice now. She sat right next to me, and we talked about the other convention I saw her at, and it was like, we're like besties. Just kidding. But this is the coolest thing in the whole world, and I need to study this. You know why I need to study this? Because at that convention that I keep mentioning, I played Supernatural Trivial Pursuit with the British man of letters, Arthur Ketch. And he asked me a question, and thank goodness I got the answer right, but it was about, what was it about? Was it about gins? No, it wasn't about gins. What was it about? It was about a monster that eats brain fluid with a thing from their palm, and a wraith? This was it, yes, wraith. And I got the question right, thank goodness, but there's not going to be another game night at the Orlando convention. But if I ever go back to the Vegas one, it's pretty sweet. All right, I know you guys did not ask for this, but I'm going to show them to you anyway. Oh, first of all, this was from a convention here in my hometown last year that was very, very sad. But here's me and Abaddon, and me and one of the guys from Ghost Facers. And then, at the convention in Vegas, the proudest moment of my life, me and Castiel. He was in character as Castiel. That's not Misha Collins. That's Castiel. And I can totally accept that our hand heart is completely off, but I can't accept that Castiel would be wearing an Apple Watch. But still, coolest moment ever. Here's us with Chuck/God. He's about to evaporate us. That's why I look scared, but also like happy at the same time. By the way, these, you literally get 2 seconds. You're there, they take the picture, and then you're gone. This one I think turned out the best. It's us and Rowena. But like, this is probably the best picture me and my now husband have ever taken together. So I do like this photo with us. And then there's Rowena too. But see what I mean? Like the plexiglass barrier, I understand why it's there. It makes it look like the photo is photoshopped. Oh, and here is us and Arthur Ketch. This was the first photo op that we did, and my husband's eyes were closed. So in the next photo op, he did not get to participate. Which here it is. It's super, super cute. It's me and Mary Winchester and Donna Hascom and Sheriff Jody Mills, also known as Zach and Cody's mom from The Sweet Life of Zach and Cody. But look at us. Look at our like quadruple hand heart. Isn't that adorable? I know, right? We got autographs from the Trickster, Mary Winchester, Kane, Jack Klein, and Charlie Bradbury. And then these are by two from the other convention that was in my hometown, Abaddon and Harry Spangler from Ghost Facers. Yes, I am very obsessive. Yes, this did cost me a lot of money. And yes, I am about to spend a lot more money at the Orlando convention next month, where I will get my picture taken with Sam and Dean, by the way. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you press the like button and you subscribe to my channel. I post every now and then, sometimes about makeup, a lot of times about these CultureFly boxes. I'll see you later. Bye!